Good morning to all of you. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 2021. Today's date is 2nd of September 2021, and our today's video topic is abstraction. Standard literature define abstraction as a set of highlighting the set of services and hiding the internal implementation is called abstraction. The real word example of abstraction is we can say that human body works at abstract level. Why is it so? Because from the common man perspective, common man don't know how the human body works. For example, he don't know how neural coordination work, how human digestive system work, how excretion and exchange of gases take place. What is meant by neural coordination? He don't know, but still all the functionality are there. So we can say that the human body works at abstract level. The second example of real life is we can say that the mic system that we use in every day in our auditorium, which is also works at abstract level. Why is it so? Because we don't know how the sound is get recorded, how is it amplified, how it is transmitted, how it is digitalized. We don't know, but still we are very used to mic system. So we can say that the mic system work at abstract level. The same kind of abstraction we can achieve at programmatic level by using the two way. The first one is abstract class, and second one is by using the interface. When we use the abstract class, then we can say that we achieve the 0 to 100% abstraction, and when we use interface, then we can say that we will achieve 100% abstraction. So let's discuss one by one. The first one is abstract class, and the abstract class are the special classes which contains abstract method. So next question may come in your mind, what is meant by abstract method? Abstract method are the method which are end with the colon. We know that every statement in Java is either end with the curly braces or colon. This abstract method ends with the colon, semicolon, and abstract method don't have the method body. Means we can say that the method who do not have the method body are called as abstract method. And whenever any abstract method present in the abstract class, then it is necessary or a job of the compiler to declare that class as a abstract class. Means whenever the any class contain any abstract method, then automatically we can say that that class we have to declare as a abstract class. Again, one simple or we can say that the twist is there. Abstract class may or may not contain abstract method. We have the famous example of HTTP servlet class, which is abstract class, but who don't contain any abstract method. Again, in the adapter classes in Java are the classes are abstract classes, but they don't contain any abstract method. Means the abstract class may contain 0 or any number of abstract method. Again, we can't create the object of abstract class. It is a responsibility of the extending class to give the method body of all the unimplemented method in the abstract class. And we can create the child class, but we can't create the object of the abstract class. So this is all about the abstract class. The next topic is interface. Means we can achieve abstraction by 100% by using the interface. What is the definition of interface? Interface is any service requirement which is transfer from the higher management to the lower is called interface. The second definition of interface is a contract between the client and service provider. And third definition at programmatic or programmer level, which is interface is a special type of class which contain all method by default public and abstract. That class we can call as a interface. What is the biggest advantage of interface? We can achieve the multiple inheritance by using the interface. This is the biggest advantage of the interface. Means in normal way we can't implement the multiple inheritance, but by using the interface we can achieve the multiple inheritance. The keyword reserved for to implementing the interface is implements. Yes, implements contain, yes. And let's shortly discuss between the difference between the interface and abstract class. The all member or instance variable in interface must be public, final and static. Such is not the restriction in abstract class. Again, abstract class have the constructor, but interface don't have the constructor. So that's it for today. We will meet in soon. Thank you.